let's get started with this cozy autumn cup. All right, guys, we are here, and this is my reference. I made this particular painted rock several years ago. It's painted with watercolor pens and permanent marking pen on a Santorini stone. It's got this pretty sparkle in it and stuff. Today I'm going to do a painting of it, and I'm going to do it on a 4x4 canvas panel. And I think I'm going to go in and make this background sort of the shadowy rock color. All right, this is a 4x4 canvas panel, and I bought it in a 12-pack. So, not sponsored or anything, just this is what I'm using. I am going to go ahead and get kind of a sort of a warm gray. Taking white, touch of Prussian blue, and a little bit of burnt sienna. Tiny touch of yellow. And it's a putty green gray. This is just the background color. These are the Acrylic Gouache, which is basically just acrylic paint that is matte. Grab a little more of that blue in there, maybe a touch of orange. Just have a very desaturated color in the background. All right, I like that kind of, that warm, mottled colors. That's looking really nice. Maybe a touch of green in that. And a little bit of green down here. Since I know the center of this is going to be coffee or cocoa or something like that, I'm going to go ahead and just get a rough circle. And just let it fade out to the edges. Oh, look at that. That is going to be so nice. Add a little bit of orange to that. Touch of blue. Just picked up a little bit of dark on the outside corner. All right, that's going to be the inside of the cup. Now, while we're waiting for that to kind of dry a little bit, I'm actually going to put some leaves around here. And to do that, I do want it to be dry. So I'm going to dry this real quick. So let's take some yellow and white. And if a little bit of the grayed out desaturated tone gets on there, that's awesome. I am going to go ahead and put little, kind of these little leaves. I'm just going to be stacking them up. No rhyme nor reason. I'm going to add a little bit of green. A little touch of brown. Get some shadow color going in here. It's fun to do things like this. It's fun to just explore. That's all I'm doing. I'm just exploring. A little bit of red with that. This is looking good. I'm enjoying this a lot. I hope you are too. If you are, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Okay, dry this. Well, that's pretty blue. So putting the handle on, just a simple little rectangle. Base coat, it's a little bit blue. I like that. I'm going to take that color, maybe a touch of that blue, change it up just a tiny smidge. There we go. We're going to put the white rim, just drawing it with the brush to begin with. And there. Okay. This is kind of a gray-blue cup. Have your paint the right consistency and it will flow off your brush. If it's too dry, it will give you that speckly look, which is not what you really want. The width of your cup rim might grow. Whoops, that grew too much. Just wipe your brush off and wipe the paint off. Let's push it back. Perfect. Just like that. That's looking good. So we'll go and grab a bit more the white on the handle. A little bit more highlighty white on the rim. That's pretty. A little bit of the blue for the shadow. Blue and white. Liner brush. Getting close to the end. I enjoyed this very illustrative, little bit more pop art. Get a little pop of some brighter color on some of these. Yellow with white, more green. Sometimes we need an easy, breezy type of painting. This is definitely an easy painting. If you try this, please share it on social media. Tag me at Deliberately Creative. I want to see what you do. What do you think? Do you like that? I sure do. I need to sign it. And let's just sign it with a little bit more yellowy green maybe. Right there. Ah, that is so sweet. Yay! I hope that you had fun. If you painted along with me, make sure and share it. Like I said, tag me at Deliberately Creative. I want to see you back here again really soon. This was my daily painting practice, number 7. So much fun. Remember, go out and do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. Want to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.